I'm going to show you how to use an amazing freelancing platform to make an insane amount of money in a very, very short period of time. I'm talking minutes, if not seconds. If you're skeptical, take a look at these online profits. For example, this one, and this one. Nice looking income stats, right? The best thing is that they offer a number of different payment options. You have the option of making a bank transfer or using one of the various payment systems. For people who are just getting started with making money online, this is an incredible opportunity to earn a little extra cash to help support yourself and your families. Another reason why it's so incredible is that in addition to being simple, it can be repeated as often as you want. It doesn't require any investment, any affiliate marketing, any social media followings or engagements, and it doesn't require any YouTube videos. It's simply a straightforward, step-by-step technique for making money online every day. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and you don't need any skills or experience. All you need is your device, internet connection, and the instructions that I'm about to lay out for you. So be sure to pay very close attention to every single money-making minute of this short video. If you like the sound of this method, be sure to show us some love and support by hitting the thumbs up button down below and subscribing to the channel with notifications turned on so that you never miss out on a brand new money-making opportunity. Also, if you have any thoughts or questions at this point, don't hesitate to let us know in the comment section. We love hearing from you. Now, without further ado, let's have a look at the website that we're going to be making money from today. 5squid.com is the platform that I'll be showcasing today. Before we get into the platform itself, I'd like to encourage you to stick with me all the way to the end of the video, because I'll be giving you some extra money-making tips that you're going to want to know. These tips will help make you loads more money with the strategy that I'm about to show you. So if you don't want to miss out, stick around until the end of the video. Now, this site is used by people to buy, sell, and request services for a specified price. As you scroll down the website, you'll notice that a variety of people offer a range of services. But don't worry, you won't be creating any films, graphic, or content to use this strategy, because I want it to be as simple as possible for you, so that I can help you earn money online quickly. On 5squid, I'd like you to click on these three lines which are located next to the search bar. This is the categories bar where you'll discover a variety of categories where you can earn money. But today, I'm going to show you a new keyword that has never been discussed before, and it's called Your Message On. This is a brand new keyword offered by 5squid where you can make money without putting in any effort when using this method, without supplying graphics, videos, or any other creative medium, without selling, and most importantly, without using an affiliate link. After clicking on your message, you'll get a list of services from across the world. As seen here, it's incredible to see so many people from so many countries providing their services. Again, you can see the services, but more importantly, you can see that they're always making money, which is exactly what we want for ourselves. Now, let me show you an example from a service provider that you can trust. To continue, click the service right here to be directed to this page where you can see the service provider's profile as well as the service that he or she wishes to deliver. Most of these companies will pay up to this amount, but after deducting the processing fee, you should be able to take home a reasonable sum. Essentially, this service will help you in paying off any tax, and that's pretty much automatically done for you. This is an excellent service that many people are enjoying. Now, let's go to heatmeal.com and search for these keywords. You will be able to market your service under the Your Message On category. On this website, you will now see Einstein's chalkboard right here. You'll be able to change and edit what's written on the chalkboard using this platform, and that's what you're going to be selling on 5squid. Let me demonstrate how to do it with an example. As you can see, here's the large box with the text. You can modify the words Dynamic Einstein Picture to whatever you want. Let's say I type in, "My channel is great, subscribe right now." Once you've written in the text, you're just going to click this button to update the image and you're done. It was able to change what was written on the board in a matter of seconds. This website is great as it just does everything for you with no hassle. And you can actually use this website to sell your service on 5Squid by just changing or editing the words to suit your customers' needs. People overlook this service since it's so simple to implement, but as you can see, your message on services are in high demand and are selling extremely well. This is a fantastic chance for beginners because, once again, no technical creativity or skills are required. Simply use the Heatmeal platform and change the wording to suit your client's needs. To save the altered photo, simply look for the snipping tool on your computer, snip the image, and save it. For phone users, simply take a snapshot of the new image and send it to your computer. Isn't this just amazing? As well as Einstein, you can use these two characters too, Uncle Sam and Quaker. Now, for the sake of the video, I'll show you how to change Uncle Sam's image. As you can see, you can change the bottom text to whatever you like, exactly like in the Einstein illustration. A new image will load almost instantly when you click the Change button. Similarly, selecting Quaker will lead you to a page where you can edit and update the image's text. So that's Heatmeal covered. To actually sell this service, you must first register with 5Squid. To do so, simply click the Join button below and give them the necessary information to create your account. And because I'm feeling generous today, I'm going to recommend another platform where you can offer Heatmeal's done-for-you services, and that platform is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is similar to 5Squid in that it allows users to sell services to people who are looking for them. I'd like you to look for Einstein Your Message On in this section. As you can see, only a few people have attempted to market this service, despite the fact that a large number of people enjoy it and use it. But that's great news for you as it means less competition. You should provide the service on both Fiverr and 5Squid in order to maximize your earnings potential and earn double as much money. As you can see, this person has a large number of reviews indicating that a large number of individuals have used their services. It's straightforward and actually enjoyable with minimal work on your side. You'll be able to earn decent amounts of money in a matter of seconds. And it's amazing that this method is absolutely free and accessible from anywhere around the globe. It comes with no strings attached. Simply sign up to freelancing platforms like Fiverr and 5Squid, create an account, and offer your message on services. Then use Heatmeal to provide this service for them. Just before you go, here's another bonus tip. Make sure that when you describe the services that you are offering, you make it sound super appealing so that customers actually want to buy the service from you. I would highly recommend uploading examples of some dynamic photos that you can create on Heatmeal so that customers know what you can offer them, which will make you much more credible and appealing. Doing this is also great practice for you to use Heatmeal. So, with all of these tips, recommendations, and instructions, there's no doubt that you can make some serious cash. So be sure to comment your experience with this strategy. We love hearing about your success stories. If you learned something new from this video or you just enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you never miss out on the amazing money-making methods that we have in store for you. We'll see you next time.